Hello and welcome to the channel. I want to tell you a time I felt stuck in my business. Even though I worked hard, looking back, I realized the problem wasn't what I was doing, it was how I was feeling. That's when I learned about the law of vibration. It taught me that everything sends out energy, even our thoughts and feelings. When I changed my energy, everything in my business changed too. Today, I'm going to show you how your energy can shape what happens in your life and how you can use that to build your dream business. And I'll explain it so clearly that anyone, even in eighth grade, could get it. But before we get to that, I want you to subscribe to this great channel. Hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload great content just like this. Okay, so what exactly is vibration? In science, a vibration is something that moves back and forth really fast. Like a guitar string, when you pluck it, you can't always see it, but it's happening. Even our bodies and thoughts have a kind of vibration. Scientists say all matter is made of atoms that are always wobbling, even if we can't see it. Now, for manifestation, the idea is this: everything has a vibe. A fast, happy, excited vibe is a high vibration. A slow or worried vibe is a low vibration. And here's the catch: things that are vibing at the same level attract each other. Think of it like two magnets, similar poles pulled together. If you're vibrating in doubt or fear, you attract more doubt and fear. If you're vibrating in faith, joy, or energy about your work, things that match that vibe start showing up. Now, let me share my own story when I felt low vibe versus high vibe. I used to launch offers, post them on social media, send out emails, but nothing felt smooth. I was anxious, doubting every single step. That was a low vibration state. It was as if my energetic signal was stuck in static, not tuning in to any good stations. One day I paused and asked myself, how would I feel if my business was really working? I imagined signing amazing clients, felt how proud and calm I'd feel, and held on to that emotion. That was a high vibration feeling. Even before anything happened, it was there. Once I started practicing gratitude, calm focus, and optimism every day, not just wishful thinking, I began tuning in differently. Suddenly, ideas popped up, mystery calls happened, and I had an aha moment of moments that changed everything. Why vibration matters in business? Vibration matters because it affects who you attract. People and opportunities match your vibe. Companies often say you attract who you are. If you're low energy, you repel high energy people. But if you're hopeful and clear, you pull in good fit clients or ideas. Then you got your inner clarity. Feeling good clears the mind. When you're calm and positive, you see solutions faster and make decisions easier. Then there's your motivation. Low vibration feels like stress and fear, they drain you. High vibration feelings like peace and excitement energize you. It's like tuning a radio. You need to dial into the right station to hear good music. If your dial is misaligned, low vibe, you get static. But when you're running on a high calm frequency, life starts matching that very energy. Now, let me give you some simple exercises on how to raise your vibration. Here are 4 practical practices you can do every day to shift your vibration upward, backed by evidence and experience. Number one, emotion. Take 2 minutes each morning. Close your eyes. Imagine one day in your ideal business. Clients booking you, positive feedback, money's flowing in. Can you feel the happiness, the pride, even relief as though it's happening right now? This emotion is like turning your energetic dial upward. It starts tuning in to the high frequency channel called success. Number two, daily gratitude. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each morning, big or small. For example, good coffee, a helpful message, a productive hour of work, strength, help, your eyesight. Feeling gratitude shifts your vibration from lack to abundance. This tiny shift helps attract more of what you really appreciate. 3, clean up your energy space. Look at your surroundings, who you spend time with, the media you watch, even your workspace setup. Remove or limit people, shows, or habits that make you feel heavy. Instead, surround yourself with bright music, hopeful stories, kind mentors, inspiring workplaces like clean light walls or plants. Good energy environments help raise your vibration naturally. I went through my YouTube subscriptions and cleared it up, made sure it was forward focusing. Something changed. Number 4, take care of your body. Your emotions and vibration reflect in your body. Get moving each day. Take a walk or stretch or dance or breathe deeply. Eat simple, energizing foods. Hydrate. These small actions lower chemicals tied to stress like cortisol and raise your physical energy. When your body feels good, your emotional vibration follows. These practices are not optional. They're like mental and energetic maintenance tools. When you consistently raise your vibe, your mind stays clear, ideas flow, and your business life feels more natural. Now, let me give you an example of how a vibration shift changed my day. Here's a real moment I experienced. I was nervous to launch a premium program. Instead of pushing through fear, I paused. I visualized an ideal client signing up, felt the excitement and gratitude. Then I journaled one sentence. I feel confident, prepared, and grateful. I took that tone with me and wrote an email to my list, not from fear, but from peace. Within 48 hours, 2 clients signed up, not because I pressured them, but because I shifted my energy first. It wasn't magic, it was vibration doing its work. My emotional signal changed, and people matching that high vibration responded. Now, here's a prompt and closing. Try this today. Block 3 minutes in your afternoon. Close your eyes. Picture a business day exactly how you want it. Feel one emotion, maybe excitement or calm satisfaction, as though it's already happening. Hold it. Then open your eyes and bring that energy into your next task. Track how that changes your tone or productivity. Does writing feel easier? Do ideas come more quickly? Your vibration is the energy channel that makes your business life flow or feel stuck. Now, listen, if this made sense, subscribe to the channel and comment below with a word that describes your highest vibration feeling: joy, peace, excitement. Next time, we'll talk about the law of attraction and how to direct that energy with clear focus and intention. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. You be blessed and successful